You gotta take the train to see the goats. So if you want to see the goats, you gotta go down the train.
Yeah, I wanted to see the goats again. Oh!
That's a turkey.
No, so what's a big white one?
Overweight, I guess.
Come on.
Or maybe it's a different kind of.
The black one is too.
Come on, bite my finger.
Come on.
Sure would know.
Gobble gobble. Turkey.
Are you trying to get them?
Fatten up there, turkey. You got about another month.
Look at the black, furry, feathery.
Start counting your days.
Yeah.
Elliot, why are you screaming at him?
He's talking. He's talking turkey talking.
Yeah, he's talking turkey.
You don't even know what you're saying.
I'm saying it wrong.
Turkey too.
One of them is making noises back.
They're probably wondering, why are you outside the fence?
Free us. They just keep saying,
How
free
did
me,
you- yeah.
free me,
How did you
free me.
get there?
Could we go?
Come on, Elle.
Those black furry ones, they don't look like a chicken.
That doesn't. That's so cute.
Oh, which one are you talking about?
The black furry. Can I record the
the
baby
chickens.
pigs again?
Yeah, go up there and go do it.
They're so cute.
You gotta talk, boink.
That's what you'd be if you were an animal. A baby pig.
Man, they are. Poor mom over there. It's like, come on, leave me alone. Yeah.
Oh, they're not gonna come over here. They're feeding, buddy.
Those are
Let's keep going, buddy.
those
Do you
are
wanna-
babies that are still eating mom's milk.
I should teach turkey class.
You're a guide, turkey.
No, I should teach turkey class.
You're a guide, too.
Okay, that's getting annoying. Oh, my dog is saying you sound like a dog. My phone's saying you sound like a dog.
We're on the other side, I think.
That sounds like a dog.
Oh, stop it.
Who wants to hear it?
Yeah, nobody wants to hear any of it.
This is how you say hi, turkey.
Nobody wants to hear any of it.
That's how you say hi. This is
Elliot,
how
come
you
here.
say no.
Furry sheep.
They're probably doing that for winter.
Well, it's not just